Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to another YouTube channel's new video. This video is all about macOS 13, macOS Ventura's troubleshooting tips and tricks. No operating system is perfect and users often run into problems and glitches. So in this video, we are trying to provide you with helpful tips and tricks for resolving common issues with macOS 13. When we talk about the issues, we are going to be discussing some common issues that users may run into with the operating system and provide some helpful tips and tricks. So let's begin, guys. So first of all, we will be talking about the storage space. So when the operating system is running very slow on your Mac computer, you have to check your storage space. So when your storage space is running very low, maybe if you're having a 256 GB SSD, then if the storage is below 1 GB or 2 GB, or if your device is running with a low storage space, you might have a very slow performance on your system. To clear the storage issue, what you have to do is go to settings, go to general, and under general you have to click on storage. So when you click on storage, you will see how many users are there and what other users are using, and also how much GB of data or storage is consumed by the applications, documents, and the system data. By knowing this, you can either copy your files into external hard drive, or you can buy storage in iCloud by paying some amount, and you can save everything on cloud. And you can also uninstall the unused applications and delete the data which you no longer need. By this, you can get rid of the slow performance of your storage device, that is your hard disk, and thus making the operating system run faster and smoother. Another tip is to clear your browser history. So when you go to Safari, you can go to history and then you can go to clear history. Here you will have an option to clear the last hour history, today's history, or all the history from the beginning you started your browsing. So if you have a Chrome browser, I have not installed Chrome browser for this user. Under Chrome browser also you can clear history, but there you will get option to clear the cache memory, so that it will lead to save a lot of storage space also in your device. The next tip is app crashes. If you are trying to open an app and if the application is not opening properly, or after giving all the permissions also it's locking down, or it's blacking out, or it's hanging, then what you have to do is you have to click on the app name over here on the top. Then you have to quit the applications. Then you have to go to the App Store and try to find if there are any updates to the application you're trying to open, or the application which is crashing. If the application is the older version, or if it is not updated from long time, then also the application will crash. So try resetting the app by quitting it and reopening it. Try to update the application if any updates are available, or by uninstalling and reinstalling it also you can try if the crash is going to be resolved. If these solutions don't work, you may need to investigate whether there is a conflict between the app and another program on your computer. In this case, you can try running the app in safe mode, or using a program like Activity Monitor to identify any conflicting processes. Finally, connectivity issues. Connectivity issues are the major drawback with any operating system. So you can say that either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections may fail, or you may encounter problems with the devices you are connected with. For example, this Echo.bmn is a speaker I have connected with. So I'm not in the range of that device, but if in case, even if I am in the range, or if the connection is failing even now and then, you can just forget the device and repair the device to it. You can also try turning off, turning on or you can completely remove the device from the macOS and then reconnect it. By doing this, the connectivity issue may improve. And when it comes to Wi-Fi, you can just click on the details of the Wi-Fi, then you can forget this network and try to reconnect by re-entering the password. If you are still having troubles with connecting the devices or connecting the Wi-Fi network, you can try resetting your network settings or resetting the SMC. You can also try deleting and re-adding the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth device to your network or computer as I shown. So it is very easy to do, right? And there you have it, some helpful tips and tricks for troubleshooting common issues on macOS 13. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Mac tips and tricks. And also let me know what kind of how-to videos you want to see in our channel in the upcoming days. Until then, bye bye, take care guys, see you.